survived every battle. Now I won't open up unless I have to. They say that true love is past due. Everybody got a soulmate and I ain't find her. It's getting more expensive than designer. Why you wanna put my heart up on a grinder? I should get my paper like a binder. I need to put all this shit behind me. These bitches so slippery and slimy. I'm trying to put it together like side me. Don't try me. I don't often fall in love. It hurts, but if I give it my all to someone I trust, could be worth it. Give me what I give, that's 100%. Tell me what it is and I'll never forget. We can do it big, so gigantic. Feel it in your ribs when we get tantric. I don't wanna be sorely mistaken. I'm only after hearts that's for the taking. I gotta play it smart just like an Asian. Love's a work of art we could be making. These phone screens got us antisocial. They sold your dreams, probably how they broke you. You want it on demand like it's Roku. I ain't that type of man, I ain't like most do. Staying to myself, not just on bad days. They out here spreading shit like it's mayonnaise. I'm so burnt out like an ashtray. In a lover's bout, I want my hand raised. I don't often fall in love. It hurts, but if I give it my all to someone I trust, could be worth